Create content that actually stops people scrolling. Because here's the truth. If your content looks like everyone else's, it gets ignored. The businesses that stand out are the ones doing things differently. And that's where drone content changes everything. This is a hands-on drone workshop experience set in stunning New Forest hotels with exclusive filming access. You'll see how professional drone footage is created and how small changes in movement and angles completely transform your content. You'll fly the drone yourself, capture real photos and video, and see instantly how it all comes together. You don't just watch, you take part. Here's what you get. Hands-on drone flying experience, live cinematic flight demonstrations, real marketing examples that work. This is built for business owners who want better content, marketing teams who need fresh ideas, property and hospitality brands that need stronger visuals, content creators ready to level up. If you want content that grabs attention, builds your brand, and actually gets results, book now and start creating content that people actually notice.